Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Trainings Hands-on Exercise 3. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete MyLab course. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, all simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. So we will start our training Excel chapter 1 simulation training. Click on Excel chapter 1 simulation training hands on exercise 3. I can do all online courses: MyLab accounting, MyLab finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development and many more online courses. So click on launch button. Okay, training will be launched. Now I am going to start my training to solve step by step. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me if you need help in any course. So question number 1 is that insert a column to right of column H. Simply we will select column H. Right click on column H, click on insert button. So we will type profit amount in cell I4. We will click on cell I4. We will type profit amount. Profit amount in cell H, cell I4. Okay. So the next is that in cell I5 create a formula to subtract the value in cell C5 from cell H5. Click on cell I5, press is equal to C5 from cell H5. H5 is sales price minus C5 is cost. Sale price minus cost, press enter, it will be show profit. Copy the formula and cell I5 to the range I5 to I10. Copy the formula to the range through cell I5 to I6 to I10. So moving on, next question is question number 2. I have done first question of this training so far. In question number 2, insert our new row as row 5. We will simply select row 5, right click on row 5, click on insert button. Row 5 is inserted now, so we will type apparel in cell A5. Click on cell A5 and we will type apparel in cell A5. Okay. Bold the text in cell A5. Simply we will go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold button. Insert a new row as row 8. We will select row 8, right click on row 8, click on insert button. New row will be inserted as row 8. We will type souvenir in cell A8, bold text in cell A8. We will type souvenir in cell A8, SOUVENIR, souvenirs. So we will apply bold in the font group. Click on bold button in cell A8. Okay. Click cell A11 and delete the row. Click on cell A11. Right click on A11. Click on delete button. Okay. Click on entire row. Click on OK button. This row will be deleted. So I have done 2 questions of this training so far. Now I am going to do third question of this training. Adjust the width of column A to 23rd point. Simply we will select column A, right click on column A, click on column width button. Right select column A, right click on column A, click on column width button. So we'll change the data of column width to 23rd. Click on OK button. So adjust the height of row 1 to 30. Select row 1. Right click on row 1, click on row height and we will change this data 30. Click on OK button. Select and hide column B. Simply we will select column B and right click on column B and click on hide. Right click on column B, click on hide button. So select and hide column D. Select column D. Okay. Right click on column D and click on hide button. Right click on column D, click on hide button. On hide column D, simply we would select column C and D. Right click on this column, click on unhide button. So this question is done now. I just show you 3 questions of this training in my video, but I have done this complete training for my student. As you can see grades on my laptop screen, I have got 6 points out of 6 point, 100% great. If you want to do this complete training from me, and if you want to do this complete course from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link. Click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, midterm exam, final exam, all assignments project. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all student. Thank you so much.